Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig, and in today's video we are going to be exploring a powerful trading strategy that could transform your approach to the Forex market, the Double Parabolic SAR Strategy. This method combines two parabolic stars indicators to identify strong trends and generate precise trading signals. By the end of this video, you will understand how to implement this strategy, recognize its strengths, and be aware of its limitations. Stay tuned as we break this down and each component, providing you with the knowledge to enhance your trading decision and improve your overall performance in the Forex market. Why the double parabolic SAR? The double parabolic SAR strategy represents a defined or refined approach to trend trading. It utilizes two distinct parabolic SAR indicators set at different parameters. The double parabolic SAR strategy consists of three key components that work together to identify strong trends and make timely trades. The first is the long-term parabolic SAR with a higher time frame, such as the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. It helps to determine the overall market direction, allowing you to trade in line with the dominant trend and avoid short-term noises. So we have to first of all use the parabolic SAR on the higher time frame. The second parabolic is the short-term parabolic SAR used on lower time frame like the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. This is where we use the short-term parabolic SAR. This dual conformation ensures and provides precise entry and exit points within the context of the long and short-term trend. The third component of this trend confirmation is where the long-term and the short-term SAR indicator must align before taking action. This dual confirmation ensures that you only enter trades when both time frames signal the same direction, reducing false signals and improving trade accuracy. Together, this component creates a systematic approach that enhances decision and confidence in trading decisions. Think of it as having two radar systems, one scanning the bigger picture while the other focusing on immediate market movement. This dual layer system helps filter out market noise and identify genuine trading opportunity. So the double parabolic SAR is going to be used, one on the higher time frame and one on the lower time frame. Understanding this foundation, you will be better equipped to implement this specific trading rule we will discuss next. The key is to recognize that the strategy isn't just about adding another indicator. It is about creating a more robust trading system that can adapt to various market conditions. Let's see how it works. The first step is to use the long-term parabolic SAR on the higher time frame, such as the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame, to determine the overall trend of the market. Let us use a live example. As we can see, I'll use my replay tool to make it more easy for us. Cut it from this area. As I can see, from the higher time frame, I can see the parabolic SAR is now below price. The long-term SAR helps you to see whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. This is crucial because you only want to trade in the direction of the trend, and as we can see, we are beginning to make the parabolic SAR show us the direction, meaning that we are coming into an uptrend from the example on the screen. By identifying the dominant trend, you would avoid trading against market momentum which can lead to unnecessary losses. For example, if the long-term SAR indicates an uptrend, you would only look to buy in the lower time frame. You will only be looking to buy, or you'll be looking for only buying opportunities. Once you have identified your long-term trend, you shift to your lower time frame. That's your 1 hour time frame or your 15 minutes as the case may be. When we move to our lower time frame, we apply our short-term parabolic SAR. When we apply our short-term parabolic SAR, this step is where you pinpoint your entry and exit points. The short-term SAR flips when the dot switches from above to below price or vice versa. Provides signals for when to enter and exit trade, as you can see from this lower time frame. Remember, our higher time frame was showing us buy signals, so from this lower time frame we should only be looking for buy signals. For instance, if the long term SAR indicates an uptrend, you have to wait for the short term SAR to flip below to the lower time frame before entering a buy trade. If, for instance, we came and we saw the market was in this area of the chart, we would have to wait until it flips to start showing buying opportunities. Once the parabolic SAR starts showing us that the market is ready to continue with the dominant trend of the higher time frame, that's when we will enter our position. So at this area is where we would want to enter our trade. How do we manage our trade? Once you are in the trade, use the short-term parabolic SAR to manage your position. The dots will act as a dynamic stop loss level, trailing behind this price as it moves in your favor. When the short-term SAR flips again, it is often a signal for you to exit your position. So we would enter the trade in this level and we will be trailing our stops just below the parabolic dot. This dot should be where our stop loss should be following. As price moves in our direction, we should be adjusting our stop loss. That's what it means to trail your stop loss. This method of managing your trade would allow you to stay in profitable positions longer while protecting yourself against major reversals. By following these steps, identifying the long-term trends, finding precise entry points with the short-term parabolic SAR, aligning both indicators for confirmation and managing your trade, you can effectively implement the double parabolic SAR trading strategy in your trading routine. This approach makes this approach ensures that you are trading with both precision and discipline. Remember, we are adjusting our stop loss according to our SAR, our parabolic SAR indicator. As you see, as price goes in our favor, we keep adjusting our stop loss so that we can continue to maintain the winning trades and so on and so forth. And the moment we notice that price is reversing against us or start showing an inverse signal for a bearish trade, you leave the trade immediately. This is how we can maintain this approach to this trading strategy. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video on the double parabolic SAR. You now have a clear understanding of how this strategy combines two parabolic SAR indicators to help you identify strong trends and make precise trading entries. If you found this video breakdown helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on future trading strategies. Keep trading smart and I will see you in the next video.